zone. The DJ's playing your song, so we ain't really gotta go home. Worldwide, party, animal, done to dust. Everybody in here came to get drunk. Here, drink with us. Here's the hydro, smoke stank with us. It ain't like you ain't, spend your bank with us. The party's overpacked from front to back. Let the beat take your soul, chain react. We out of control, how insane is that? Rearrange the game, nigga chain react. All black khakis with the pick and the fro. I can hear them hoes hollering as I enter the door. Keep it so G, all eyes on me. And I'm shining so bright, I make it hard to see. From the flow to my fitted, I promise I'ma get it. I keep it 1,000 while these bitch niggas bullshitting. I'm a real one, I fuck with these streets. Insane Gorilla Fam, 81G. You know what I'm saying? Hey, from done to dust. Everybody in here came to get drunk. Here, drink with us. Here's the hydro, smoke stank with us. It ain't like you ain't, spend your bank with us. The party's overpacked from front to back. Let the beat take your soul, chain react. We out of control, how insane is that? Rearrange the game, nigga chain react.
A party animal that's guzzling straight scotch and vodka. Jägermeister, the amaretto sour. Half an hour before the club lit out. In the parking lot, trying to pull somebody's baby mama. I'm the type of brother that breeds drama. Standing on the bar in my boxers, kicking the shot glasses. While I'm flashing, I snatch me up a slut and start dancing. While all of her friends catching whiplash by turning their heads, watching my ass as I bash bottles across the head of anybody with problems. Police mobbing, and they calling my name. I'm in their face laughing while I'm rolling the Mary Jane. Valet bringing my car, they friendly as shit. I snatched them out the ride. I said, fuck you and your tip. I'm drunker than a sailor, wobbling like a slave ship. And I'ma do the same thing on a day shift. I sip syrup until my legs get stiff, but still well enough to kick a nigga dead in the shit.